You'll get to know the 7 rules of money that will make you rich. The 7th rule is very important for you to follow, so keep watching this video till the end. Now let's start. Rule number 1. You must work for it, your finances, your prosperity. To build wealth and achieve financial success, it's essential to focus on earning income. Achieving your goals and reaching your desired destination requires proactive effort and commitment. Without taking the necessary steps, progress will be difficult to attain. When it comes to finances, the approach is quite clear-cut. Are you looking to enhance your financial resources? Take the initiative and begin building your wealth. Consider pursuing employment opportunities. Consider exploring additional employment opportunities. Consider exploring a third employment opportunity. Consider exploring side hustles and engaging in additional projects to enhance your income potential. Are you currently pursuing a degree in college? Consider pursuing a side hustle during your college years to help cover your educational expenses. Ultimately, to build your wealth, generating income is essential. There are numerous avenues available for generating income, and it's essential to identify the most suitable options for you and take action. You have the freedom to pursue your goals without any obstacles in your way. There are no barriers in your life holding you back. The primary obstacle to increasing your earnings is your own mindset. It's important to eliminate any excuses and concentrate on the fundamental principle to begin your journey. You must actively work towards building your wealth. Rule number 2. It's essential to prioritize saving, even if it feels uncomfortable. The second principle to building wealth is saving. Generating income is only part of the equation. It's equally important to focus on saving that income effectively. Otherwise, you may find yourself in a situation similar to many well-known celebrities who have faced bankruptcy. Relying solely on income is insufficient. It is essential to prioritize saving. However, the key principle for building wealth in this context is to save diligently, even when it feels uncomfortable. It's important to assess your current situation. If you're not feeling any discomfort, it may indicate that you're not pushing your limits sufficiently. For instance, in the previous year, I managed to save approximately 40% of my after-tax income. It certainly appears to be a substantial amount, doesn't it? However, there are numerous individuals who are managing to save significantly more, with many setting aside over 50% of their income, if not more. Adhering to the first rule simplifies the application of this guideline. Increased income can significantly enhance your ability to save effectively. Even with a modest income, it is still possible to set aside savings. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. Rule number 3. It's essential to refine your expenditures. To enhance your financial growth, it's essential to refine your spending habits. I respect your choices regarding spending. Whether you choose to spend more or less is entirely up to you. It is my perspective that you should pursue the purchases that bring you joy. Just focus on increasing your income to ensure you can comfortably afford them. However, it is essential to recognize that individuals with significant wealth consistently focus on maximizing the efficiency of their expenditures. This indicates that they seek out favorable opportunities. Even when purchasing a Ferrari, you can be assured they have thoroughly explored options and negotiated the price effectively. The key is to manage your spending effectively, particularly when it comes to your largest expenses. For many individuals, this may include vehicles, insurance policies, healthcare services, and additional considerations. Many individuals here tend to choose options without careful consideration or fail to fully evaluate the available choices. Affluent individuals take the time to evaluate their options, making decisions that enhance their advantages while reducing costs. To begin your journey towards wealth accumulation, it's essential to assess and refine your spending habits. Rule number 4. It is essential to have your capital actively generating returns. The fourth rule emphasizes the importance of making your money work for you. Generating income is your responsibility in this process. It is essential to allow your finances and the benefits of compound interest to collaborate over time to build your wealth effectively. Could you clarify the implications of this? It indicates that an investment is necessary. What is the reason behind this? The historical inflation-adjusted return for the S&P 500 over the past 60 years has exceeded 7%. Have you come across the scenario discussing the advantages of having a penny double each day versus receiving $1 million upfront? It's advantageous to start with a small amount that doubles daily, as this illustrates the significant impact of compound interest over time. Rule number 5. It's important to choose a partner wisely. The fifth principle for accumulating wealth and getting rich is to choose your partner wisely. A supportive partner can significantly enhance your wealth-building efforts, whereas divorce often poses a substantial risk to financial stability. Recent research indicates that divorce can significantly impact personal net worth, with estimates suggesting a reduction of up to 75%. When it comes to building wealth, a strong partnership can work collaboratively, accumulate resources together, and benefit from the compounding effect of their combined earnings over time. That represents a significant advantage in the pursuit of wealth accumulation. The interest earned on $2 consistently surpasses that of $1. However, a divorce can significantly impact your financial stability if careful considerations were not made during the marriage decision. In addition to a straightforward 50-50 division, it's important to consider potential legal fees and other associated costs. Additionally, the current amount available for compound interest is limited, resulting in a slower growth rate. It is important to note that, as reported by the American Psychological Association, the divorce rate in the United States stands at approximately 40 to 50% for marriages. Divorce does not necessarily have to result in significant financial setbacks. If you made a prudent choice in your marriage, it's likely that your former partner possesses a solid understanding of financial matters during the divorce process, allowing for a more amicable resolution. Rule number 6. It's essential to focus on reducing your tax liabilities. The sixth principle for wealth accumulation is to consistently work on reducing your tax obligations. Regardless of your income level, it's essential to consistently consider strategies for reducing your tax burden. Taxes can hinder your ability to build wealth over time, as they continually diminish your earnings and investments returns. For instance, the S&P 500 has achieved an average annual nominal return of 11.09% over the past 30 years. After considering taxes, fees, and inflation, the actual return that an investor would have experienced is approximately 7%. That amounts to 46% of your return being diminished by taxes, fees, and inflation. There are several strategies you can implement to effectively reduce your tax burden. Initially, consider utilizing tax-deferred investment accounts to maximize your financial growth. Consider fully contributing to your 401k or 403b. Utilize an individual retirement account, IRA, and make the most of a health spending account, HSA. Rule number 7. Safeguard your future and ensure your family's security. The seventh principle for accumulating wealth and securing financial stability is to ensure that you have adequate insurance in place to safeguard your assets and provide for your family. It's important to focus on securing your health insurance and disability insurance. rather than just considering life insurance. Over the past year, I have encountered two coaching clients who faced unexpected health challenges, which have significantly affected their financial stability due to a lack of preparation. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know how you could get rich on a low income. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers.